Right guys, so today we're making a quick technology video. Now, as you can see, my computer is saying reboot and select proper boot device, or insert boot media in selected boot device and press a key. Now basically what's happened is that we recently had a power cut. My computer was running during this power cut, and as you can see, my computer no longer wishes to, switch back onto the desktop on Windows. Now the problem is I've got a lot of very important data on my hard drive which I need access to. Now basically, have a look at this. This is the only option I have now in order to try and access my hard drive. I basically bought this for £45. That's going to be what in United States dollars, about 70 United States dollars. And we're going to test it together to see if this product will allow me to access my hard drive in order to get that important data it is that I need. Now, one of the things we need to note about this bit of hardware is I'm going to be testing it on a Windows Vista machine. If it doesn't work on the Windows Vista machine, then I may have to pop to my friend's house who is running Windows Professional, and hopefully it might work on his. So guys, welcome to the video, and let's see if this contraption can help us re-access our data on the hard drive. So let's go. Right guys, so basically these are the files on my hard drive, but every time I get in there in order to try and take them off the computer, then it's just not responds like we are seeing here. And it's quite frustrating because again, this is the data which I want to retrieve, but I can see it, but I just can't copy it. It's very frustrating. Not getting my hopes up, but this is the closest I have got to actually retrieving my data. Again, I am not getting my hopes up, but this is the closest I have ever got to transferring my data from that faulty hard drive to my new hard drive. Not counting my check-ins, fellas, but that green bar does look to be increasing, so that would suggest to me that data is being transferred. Right guys, so the computer's attempting to copy in data as we speak, and the photograph I can see there just happens to be my mother, who has been passed away for over 20 years now. So it's quite bizarre to see that the first file that could have been transferred over is a photograph of my mother. Now it's making the click of death. Hopefully you guys can hear that. So at the minute it's not transferring anything. If we look at the screen, then we can see that everything is stopped. And now It is closed. But nonetheless, guys, let's have a look. We did get you transfer a few files, and let's have a look at this. That's a photograph of my mother. Amazing.